Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you and it's a bi-monthly subscription of the Natural Wellness Box. This is what it looks like. This is how it arrives in the post. If you're new to the subscription and you'd like to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their January-February box, then you'll find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I've been receiving this box now for a couple of years and I absolutely love it. It is really good. It's a little bit different. Their aim is to make you healthy and beautiful from the inside out. Now the cost of the subscription is £38 and that includes shipping within the UK. It's bi-monthly, so this box is your January-February box, and if you're out of the UK, shipping is £9.95. Inside you'll find between 5 to 7 products. They range from natural skincare, healthy snacks, healthy supplements, and all products are cruelty-free and vegan. You're able to have a look at previous boxes online. Plus I have a huge playlist since they've been sending these boxes out to me. As well as a bi-monthly subscription, they do offer a 6 and 12 month subscription. And if you don't want to commit to a subscription, you are able to purchase this box as a one-off for £42. They've kindly given me a code to share with you, which will entitle you to receive 10% off your first box, which is Diary10. You'll find all links to this subscription and my code down below in my description. So underneath this video, you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's open this up and show you what's inside. It is really heavy this month. So inside you find a booklet and it details everything about the products inside the box, so I'll refer to this as we go along, and it gives you the theme as well, which I'll read to you. So we've got some leaflets here and they usually relate to the products inside the box. We'll see as we go along. And we've got another one here. 20% off your first month with code monthly treat. Oh, it's a chocolate bar. Oh my word, it's an actual box. There's me looking at it. Look, there's a box. Oh, if you'd like me to unbox this on my channel, please let me know. It's a monthly subscription. It doesn't say how much it is or anything, but yeah, 20% off. Monthly treat. I'll pop that down in my description as well. And there you go. Quick sneak peek into what's inside. What is this? Right, before I have a proper look, I'll just go back to the leaflet. It says, welcome to your Renew collection. It's time to renew your wellness and skincare rituals. Get ready to renew your mind, body and skin with this hand-picked collection of wellness, beauty and health products designed to help you renew your skincare and wellness habits. We have ticked all the boxes with this exclusive collection, which features everything you need to start 2022 feeling revived and renewed. There is also something special inside if you are doing dry January too. As always, we'd love to hear what you think of this collection. We love seeing your photos and videos on Instagram. Don't forget to tag us at Natural Wellness Box so we can share. Enjoy feeling renewed until the next collection, Catherine. So first up then is this bag. It's a big bag of In Bloom drops. The Discovery Collection. So it looks like there. Experience a new way of drinking water with In Bloom drops, a potent blend of botanical goodness that takes on a unique modern twist to the ancient practice of herbal distillation. As easy as a drop, your beverage will touch all your senses, from the aromatic smell to the exquisite taste. Add contents of 1 sachet to 250 ml of filtered water. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Oh my gosh. Oh, my daughter's going to love this as well. There's a booklet inside. So 6 different flavours. 2 of each. Saffron and wild rose. Then we've got fresh mint. Lovely. And we've got cinnamon and cardamom. Then we've got orange blossom. So the little sachets of liquid you put in water. Okay. This Discovery selection would cost you £18.99. In Bloom Drop sachets are the first and currently only natural botanical distillate with no preservatives. Bloom Drops have modernised an ancient tradition of herbal distillation, the most natural way to enhance water with distinct tastes and aromas while benefiting your overall well-being. Each sachet in the Discovery set has a different wellness benefits to enjoy. So that's a little bit different, isn't it? Yeah, so you've got some In Bloom drops there. Next up, we've got something wrapped up. And we've got Lemon Breeze. It's a natural deodorant cream, and there's 50 mils here. This is from Pure Purpose. All natural formula designed to effectively neutralise the underarm odours and keep you fresh throughout the day. I love lemons. I'm obsessed with lemons. Oh, it does. It smells beautiful. See there? Is it easy enough? I have got little spatulas now because I got nails instead of gouging my nails in there. But no, this is not too bad actually. The pot is quite big, so I'm able to do that. But yeah, just try a little bit on my hand there. You're not going to see anything. Oh, that smells so nice. It smells beautiful. Yeah, lemon smelling armpits. This deodorant cream by Pure Purpose costs £9.50. It's an award-winning deodorant cream made only with natural and raw plant-based ingredients. The blend includes nourishing plant oils and butters for hydration and starch and lemon essential oil to keep you dry and fresh. And then it goes on to tell you how to apply it. This 50ml jar should normally last for about 2 to 3 months. So there's that. What have we got here? Looking on the card. AccuPips. Intrigued. Intrigued. So you've got little pips with little plasters on the back of them. Once you have located the points, apply AccuPips to both ears and push whenever you feel stressed or anxious. This is amazing. This is amazing. I absolutely love this. They've got more information about pressure points and where to put them. First of all, you've got a Shen Men, and I have actually got a Shen Men piercing. It's a little bit different to your usual piercings, which are like here. I don't know what the names are. Rooks. So the piercing hole goes right behind my ear there. So it goes straight through. It's to help to reduce anxiety and stress. You're supposed to like wiggle it about and press it down when you're feeling a bit anxious. This acupuncture point sits in the depression, where I just showed where my earring is. If you push your finger on your ear in a downward motion, it should ache, but not be painful. This is where the Shen Men is located. The sympathetic point. This point is hidden from view, so can sometimes be tricky to locate. Follow the triangle used for the Shen Men along the ridge and into the fold of the ear. This point is located on it and out of view. The ear seed will not be seen at all. Behind this flap of skin there. In there. The point 0, this point is best located by finding the very top of the ear and drawing your finger along the top downwards towards the head and then in like a C shape. Along this C shape is a small notch. This is the 0 point. There, maybe. No? I don't know. I'm going to have to look in a proper mirror. It has got a diagram there. They've got a YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter as well. But what does it say here about it? So this seed kit is worth £12.50. And if you use code NATWELL22, you can have 20% off. Etsy.com UK shop AccuPips. Based on the theory of auricular acupuncture, these handy little ear seeds are placed on specific acupuncture points around the ear and can help you feel renewed, grounded, motivated to achieve goals and help reduce stress and anxiety. AccuPips ear seeds are designed to sit accurately on the pressure points on the ear, connecting directly to the central nervous system, making them easy and effective to use. Follow the instructions on the ear chart included to apply the correct areas on the ears. We recommend using tweezers to handle the ear seeds. I love these. I absolutely love these. I've never used them before. If you've used them before, please let me know. Or if you've had acupuncture, please let me know how it went. I'm going to have to look on the YouTube maybe for some videos to direct me and to learn a little bit more about it. But no, what an amazing product to put in a box. Next, we've got a product by Guerin. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is a hydrating serum, antioxidant plus, and contains rosehip and centella. And there's 50 mils here. Like there. So before I try it, just read a little bit about it. So this is full size and the recommended retail price is £45. This beautiful serum acts as a deep acting skin drink that swiftly quenches and revitalizes, the ultimate antidote to all tired and dull skins. Hydrating serum drenches the complexion in moisture and infuses it with powerful antioxidants that simultaneously protect against pollution whilst they brighten and boost the complexion. The complexion feels and looks plump from within, energized, clearer and stronger. Use it on clean skin in the morning and evening. Layer or mix with facial oil or wear alone. Designed for custom use as your day and skin dictates. To make sure I got the deodorant off my hand there. Oh, that has a nice smell. It's a very, very nice subtle smell. Yeah, it's lovely. It feels really nice on the skin as well. It's left my skin feeling super soft. Wow. So we've got a hydrating serum by Guerlain. Next up we have got 5 Dot Botanics. 5 ingredients. What is it? Oh, I'm reading the top. This is Pure Rewind Rose Clay and Lavender Restorative Face Mask. Mineral rich rose clay and lavender. Clarify and clear equals pores unclogged, pollution removed and skin purified. And there's 30 mils here. So it looks like there. Ooh, I was not expecting that at all. It just looks like chocolate. Look, it just looks like chocolate. Wow. Okay. There's a slight rosy smell. I don't like rosy smells, but no, from masks and things like that, it doesn't bother me, but it's slight, but it smells of lavender as well. But again, it's not overpowering. It just looks like melted chocolate. Oh. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £28. This beautiful mask gently draws out impurities, grime and pollution, leaving skin looking less dull and feeling velvetly smooth. It unclogs pores so skin looks clearer and your skin will feel comfortable and hydrated after use. The Mediterranean rose coloured clay de-stresses and purifies, working wonders with inflamed or stressed skin due to its high sodium and potassium content. And it says apply a thin layer to freshly cleanse skin and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the damp warm cloth and follow with your usual moisturiser as required. So we got a clay mask there. This is the non-alcoholic spirit that was mentioned earlier. This is by Pentire and this is botanical non-alcoholic spirits: seaward, sea rosemary, woodruff, sea buckthorn, pink grapefruit and wild seaweed. Bright, zesty, verdant. There's 20 cls there. That bottle looks beautiful, doesn't it? Made in Port Isaac, Cornwall in the UK. This will cost you £12.50. The Pentire plant blend along with wild seaweed contains properties and minerals to aid health, sleep, circulation and recovery. Pentire seaweed pairs perfectly with light tonic or soda or even an in-blossom sachet. Serve in a glass full of ice, garnish with a grapefruit wedge and enjoy. Okay, I'm not gonna try it, but I want to sniff it. Oh. It just smells of grapefruit. I'm going to save that for the weekend. We have some tonic in the house. Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. I can't wait to try it. Something a bit different, isn't it? Next up, we got a snack. This is by Boundless, activated snacking, sea salt and cider vinegar, high in fibre, gluten-free and vegan. They sound gorgeous, don't they? Sea salt and cider vinegar. These will cost you 99p. These activated crisps are made from ancient supergrain sorghum. Have I said that right? Sorghum. Which is drenched in salt water, kickstarting Mother Nature's germination process. Made with 100% natural ingredients and a good source of plant-powered protein, they are also available in 80-gram shared bags. Warning, these are highly addictive. Oh, there, sorry. So there's those. Next, we have got some hot chocolate. One Earth Chocolate Dream, a luxurious chocolate blend with enriching superfoods for the whole family. And there's 9 servings in there. The packaging is beautiful, isn't it? It was really pretty. This will cost you £5.50. Try this blend as a healthy alternative to hot chocolate. This luxurious mix of nutrient-rich foods is packed with vitamins and minerals for healthy bones in adults and for healthy bone development in children. That sounds amazing. So yeah, I'm going to have one of those this evening. So those are all the items in the January-February Natural Wellness box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Pentire non-alcoholic spirit, We've got a Guerin Hydrating Face Serum. We've got a Pure Purpose Lemon Breeze Natural Deodorant. We've got 5 Dot Botanics Restorative Face Mask. We've got a set of AccuPips. We've got a Discovery Collection from In Bloom Drops. We've got a One Earth Chocolate Dream Powder. And a pack of Boundaries Activated Crisps. There's also these little sachets as well. Little samples there of daily prep serums. We've got a Nourishing Facial Serum and a Protecting Facial Oil. So I've just found those in the bottom. The cost of the books is £38 and it has a value of around £138. I absolutely love this box. I say this all the time about this box, but no, this box is amazing. I love the fact that we've got a bottle of spirit in there to mix with drinks. I love the fact we've got those pips, those AccuPips, something completely different, and I cannot wait to look into it and to learn a little bit more about it. The deodorant balm smells stunning, absolutely beautiful. And the In Bloom drops as well, that's something different, isn't it? That's what I love about this subscription. The serum and the sweet treats as well. Yeah, really, really happy this month. But as always, I'd love to hear what you think. Are you a subscriber to the Natural Wellness Box? Have you received your box yet? What do you think of it? Or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? I'd love to hear what you think, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.